nigo amatemu ayaba kago chakabene awase okoigura which container kwa bago korekana sensemo ya Nyamira South asomo director abwe kiombe kiabari mu Teacher Service Commission me county eyo Catherine Mwenda aba gakuikirana ororo mu director abwe miase county ya Nyamira Joshua Kaga na boigo omo deputy county commissioner Florence Abunga negati abagwatani aba kwenekia okoigurwa which container konene nigo bono aboroki wababere bakuboriwa kwenekia bunango bwate bare amachi konsi yake umbeke tenereta amatemu KNEC chinga kya amatemu ayo agendrete elio kwenekia bunabo ibonde bonsi tiborigo chiako korekana murikitkurwa se county ya Nyamira job manki na manki.
Jesus Christ. We cover our candidates with the blood of Jesus Christ. We declare it shall be well.
Amatemu amanene yo mwakoyo ni gagendrete asichisukuru chinyinge che secondary chiaba chigo chaka amatemu a form 4 KCSE aso mwakoyo oleto bauti ni miaka yende asaborokia abanene barabe bakoyia amatemu kabere kurwa se container.
We want to open the container exactly on time so that we are able to move to our centers with speed. This year is very different. We really must move with speed.
Kaunti Nyamira nigo saba kwa rurigo chiase aborokia abanene na bali bakolenda amatemu ayo KNEC bunanko bwati bale amachiko arure ne kiombegete nenerete amatemu KNEC.
The next guidelines, every activity we usually has guidelines, has procedures, and the next guidelines are very very clear. Ukifika kwa shule weka mtihani kwa darasa, mahali security ataona wakiwa na wanafunzi. Ukifungua wacha wanafunzi waone.
Yema yege koroge kageire ko bakyo boibi KNEC gwa ase sukuru yage komoni ase sukuru chinde chigendrete komorekerwa ase oboime olu mukonga no mobisabwa abanyanyimbo otenenerete egetako kyobotuki boime DCI.
But we have a pending case of malpractice that happened last week with the common studio. So please do not, that teacher is going to court by Friday. And on my radar, there are some three schools that are on my radar. So if you are police, if you are trying to do something, don't.
Omo director bwe kyombegete nenerete okoliko kwa borokia Catherine Mwenda KCSE na ichanera obotumiki bwa borokia balikire na BOM.
Hello? You are a suspect, each one of you. This year I was talked about 3 schools. Me and the CD have a list of many other schools in the county that are on the spotlight. Because what we have realized is that some of us here are using BOM teachers who are not even registered by TSC to undertake their evil plans as far as exams are concerned.
Egati abali baikirana asense ya myokogachua kwa matemu a Nyamira South no director bwechisemi account Nyamira Joshua Kaga omokonyi wo county commissioner Florence Obunga nababwatani bande asechisemi. Linda KNEC oboibimbo yo ase amatemu ayo aborokia abanene mbasa ba KNEC buna ondetayo obwata chisimi asamatemu abakolerwa nabantu banteire buka no bagotoka asamatemu abakolerwa.
Make sure that proper frisking is done to the candidates. No phone is allowed, and ensure that those candidates, especially those who are day scholars, thorough frisking must be done.
Boy gomba begete emeroberi yo KNEC buna amatemu ayungo ikigware asobo ikeranu.
We've tried to make adjustments in the routing. We've created 2 more routes to ease the congestion and also to ensure that we are here on time. County Sipu Land Cruiser. Then we have the farthest end, Mongorisi, Enchoro, Nyabisimba, using the CDF van.
Ginko reported ya Ndizi TV kurase county Nyamira, Job Maangi.